Hey! In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings. Then you need to click on Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. Following that, just wait for available ones to show, and when they do, tap on the chosen one. Then, in order to connect, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected, but you can always disconnect them by choosing this gear icon next to the device and tapping on Forget. Lastly, confirming your choice in the pop-up. If you want to connect to the same one again, choose Pair New Device, click on it and select Pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!